Subscribe for more great videos.
It's here.
It's here. It's finally here.
The day we've been waiting for is here.
For our Little Tikes Christmas.
My Emma
And my Jackson.
and her grand autograph from me. 12 bouncy bounces. 11 doors a knocking. Kids at the play.
Can't talk, playing. 10 balls a scoring. 9 sliders sliding.
8 beakers bubbling.
7 slamming racers.
6 kingdoms building.
5 Cozy Coupe. 4 shoppers shopping. Price check. 3 small wheels.